Good morning and welcome to my new blog. So, first of all, ignore my voice because I'm suffering from cold since last 4 5 days, maybe due to changing weather. By the way, I'm in my hostel right now. So, I have been inactive since days. So, who are connected with me, they already know that why I'm inactive. So, actually, I don't want to discuss. But yes, today is our white coat ceremony, so we have to go for that. So I'm already done with my basic skincare, so we'll proceed further. Before changing my suit, I want to show you all that and one small memory with it. Let me show you. So, oh, actually, I didn't cut that also. So this is the suit. So story is that actually my papa gifted me after I cleared NEET. So that's why this is so special for me. And as a medical student, as we are, whenever na, जब भी हम NEET aspirants है ना, this was like white coat ceremony was like our dream, no? So this day it's special, बट शायद पापा होते तो ये और भी स्पेशल होता बट यस इट्स ओके आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर ना जब भी हमारे कॉलेज से मैसेज आया था लाइक दे आर प्रोवाइडेड डेट्स वगैरह कि कभी वाइट कोट सेरेमनी होगा देन वी आर इन बैंगलोर दैट टाइम तो पापा ने बोला कि अरे वो मैसेज मेरे को फॉरवर्ड करो ना वो दिवाली थी उस टाइम तो उनको घर वापस जाना था उन्होंने बोला मैसेज फॉरवर्ड करो ना मैंने नहीं किया फिर 2 3 बार उन्होंने मेरे को रिपीट मैंने तुमको बोला था वो मैसेज फॉरवर्ड करने तुमने किया क्या एट लास्ट मैंने कर दिया था सो जस्ट वांटेड टू टेल कि वो बस उस मैसेज को इसीलिए देखना चाहते थे सो दैट ही कैन फील प्राउड कि मेरी बेटी को जो सपना उन्होंने देखा था वो पूरा हो रहा था एंड ऑनेस्टली बीइंग अ डॉक्टर इज नेवर माय ड्रीम एक्चुअली yes I enjoy it but it was not my dream मीन्स जब भी मेरे पापा पढ़ाई कर रहे थे तभी ही वांटेड टू बिकम डॉक्टर नो बट ड्यू टू फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्योंकि मेरे दादाजी चले गए थे तो उनको पूरी फैमिली को संभालनी थी समथिंग लाइक दैट तो अपनी ड्रीम को पूरा नहीं कर पाए तो इट वॉज हिज ड्रीम टू फॉर मी टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर और उनकी एक लाइन थी जो हमेशा बोलते थे कि तुम मेरा अधूरा सपना पूरा कर रही हो so I will not cry anymore actually I'm tired of being crying reality is I'm tired of being crying थक चुकी हूँ रो के बातें करके नहीं हो पा रहा थिंग्स आर गेटिंग डिफिकल्ट बट yes I'm at least trying I know it will take time it's not something जो इतनी जल्दी हील हो जाएगा it will take time but for sure मेरे पापा ने एक स्ट्रॉन्ग गर्ल बनाई है तो I will tackle with this also. I miss him, his space, his love, but I will get out of it. So let's put all these emotional बातें अलग से. Let's get ready. Our college में, and also I'm not a bit comfortable like with interactive people right now. Not because I can't give a fake smile actually. An actual smile is somewhere lost. So we'll try to record at least video so that I can do voiceover whatever wherever possible. So let's do it. Hope you like it all.
So, this is the day before white coat. So, basically, on this day, we all classmates are decorating our lecture hall, corridors, but balloons, rangoli, and so many other things also. Everyone was enjoying actually. Okay, you will not see my much involvement in this because I was not comfortable that day. So just try to take clips wherever. Now here comes the day of white coat ceremony. Sorry I was late that day, so was not able to take clips of. So, after starting the ceremony, we invited our MLA, our principals, our HODs, and all our professors and students. After that, we had speech of our MLA and all our other guests also. So, if you are good in Telugu, then only you can understand. Because I didn't even understand a word that day. But yes, I am learning. Only thing that I understood that day is he is telling something good because everyone was clapping, nothing else.
ఆ బాధ్యతను సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా మీరు నెరవేర్స్తారని పూర్తి నమ్మకం నాకు ఉంది. మీ అందరికి కూడా తెల్ల కోటు ధరించిన వారందరికీ కంగ్రాచులేషన్ తెలియజేస్తూ మీరు ఈ భూపాలపల్లి మెడికల్ కాలేజీలో మంచి పీజీ వరకు చదువుకొని
Sir is basically making us understand what the value of patient and patience in our profession.
in future course, but a step has been forwarded by you. Let's continue it and have patience to interact with the patients. That is most important thing you all should keep in your minds, because spending time with the patient is the key in your entire medical profession, which can give you more uh, communication skills and at the same time compassion, empathy, whatever we see. So you will learn from the patient. Patient is a key person and he is trying to learn, trying to teach you. That's what you should pick up. And it is
భారత ప్రజల ఆరోగ్యానికి భావి ప్రదాతలు మీరే. మీ కఠోర దీక్ష ఫలితంగానే.
So as Sheshkandaman said, so you have to respect this white coat. So don't wear it with a dignity and feel it is ultimately you got it with your hard work.
And now comes the revelation of our batch name, that is Anvayans. Derived from Anvaya, meaning lineage or connection. It symbolizes continuity, tradition, and the legacy of medical knowledge passed down over generations. Groups who value a traditional, respectful, and culturally resonant name with a strong sense of continuity. Now, before distributing the white coat, our MLA, principal, and our professors all lighten up the candle and started. And here comes the moment when your girl is getting her white coat finally. But that day was not like that which I dreamed of as a NEET aspirant. Because without Papa, now our every celebration is incomplete. I miss you, Papa, every day. I know you are with me every time. बस कभी साथ मत छोड़ना पापा.
Service of humanity. I will give to my teachers the respect and gratitude which is their due.
And And after that, we had our cultural activities, which our classmates had prepared, like dance, song, and many other things. So I don't have exact idea of that copyright on songs issue. So sorry, not able to show you with songs. But yes, can show you some clips. And also, if I get some idea about how to upload it without having copyright issue, we'll sure upload all the dance individually on my channel.
तुमसे ज्यादा मैं ना जानूं, तुमसे खुद को मैं पहचान, तुमको बस मैं अपना मानूं माहिया।
At last, we all took our group photos, individual photos, and enjoyed a lot. And this is the end of our day, which is so memorable and can't be forgotten. Hope you like it. Bye bye.